Hey everyone, welcome to this hands-on demo on MFA. In this guide, we will learn how to enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, for an AWS admin account to enhance security. By the end of this video, you will learn how to navigate to IAM in the AWS console, how to enable MFA for your admin account, how to use an Authenticator app to secure your account, how to log in with MFA after setup. Step 1. Navigate to IAM in AWS console. Log in to your AWS management console. Select IAM from the console, Identity and Access Management. Step 2. Start MFA setup. Under Security Recommendations, find Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA. Click on Add MFA. Alternatively, do this from IAM users by navigating to your admin user and selecting security credentials. Then, click Add MFA. Step 3. Choose MFA type. Select the MFA type. I will be using the Authenticator application for this example. For the authentication application, I will be using Google Authenticator. Click on Next. Step 4. Let's set up the MFA device. Open your Google Authenticator or whatever Authenticator application you are using. Click on Add Account. Next, we'll click on the Show QR code and scan the QR code displayed. Step 5. Now, let's enter our MFA codes. Enter the first code displayed in your Authenticator app. Wait for 30 seconds for a new code to appear. Enter the second code. Click Add MFA. MFA is now successfully enabled for your admin account. Step 6. Let's test MFA by logging out and back in. Sign out from AWS. Try logging back in. After entering your password, AWS will ask for an MFA code. Open your Authenticator app, enter the current code, and click Sign In. Success! You've secured your AWS admin account with MFA. I'll see you in the next video.